Alright guys, so welcome back to another episode of my Integra restoration series. In previous videos I was able to remove a lot of stuff from the engine bay. Um, and on the previous episode I needed space. I needed to make up space, so when I was about to take the engine transmission out, I had enough space to maneuver and work things around it. I did make space for it, and today I'm gonna probably be taking out the rear bumper and start pushing the car against the wall over there, so I can have more space here to work around the engine bay and be able to remove the engine and transmission out. Alright, it's already out of the first jack stand. Second jack stand is also out. So now time to push the car back up once the car is down. So before I push the car against the wall, I'm gonna start removing the rear bumper first. So rear bumper is out. Now time to push the car back against the wall so I can have space to start taking the engine apart. So I was able to center the car in the area because the car was a little bit too far out to this side. So I tried to center it as much as I could so I can have more space to work on. I was able to also push the car closer to the wall. I left a little bit of space there just in case I needed it to put the jack or to move around the area. But I think now I have more space on the front area so I can start taking the engine apart. Once I take the engine out, I'm gonna start cleaning out the engine bay and get it ready for paint. I'm gonna paint the engine bay as well. It's getting pretty late already. I'll probably continue this video when the sun comes around again, so I have better lighting. So I'm back today. I was waiting for the sun to come out, but it never did come out. Cloudy and cold and windy, but the show must go on. So today I'll probably, before I start taking the engine out, I'll take the fenders out, both of them. So both fenders are removed. Both sides removed. I also removed the side skirts. Now it's time to see if I can take this bumper reinforcement bar. Bumper reinforcement bar removed. I started already removing the wire harness out of the way to get it ready to drop the engine and the transmission out. I'll probably gonna start taking out the axles next and the rear engine mount. Of course, once I take out the harness out of the way. And then drop the engine out. Oh, also, I gotta take the AC compressor out as well. So the AC compressor is out. Next it will be the axles and shifter linkage. And probably start off by removing the rear engine mount first, and then the two on the sides, and drop the engine and transmission out. That's pretty much for this episode of my Integra restoration series. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please make sure to write it down on the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.